Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Noshwada binti Rizwan and I am a final year student of Applied Chemistry courses. Today, I would like to present my final year project entitled A Review on Antioxidant and Antimicrobial Activity of Essential Oil from Extracted Bamboo Leaf, Bambusa vulgaris as head purpose and supervised by Sir Muhammad Lias bin Kamal. So, this will be my outline for this presentation starting from Chapter 1 Introduction, Chapter 2 Literature Review, and Chapter 3 Conclusion and Recommendation. Chapter 1 Introduction. Research background. Bamboos are the one of the earth's oldest trees that are belong to the Bossae family. Bamboo can be found in forests and typically farmland, riverbank, roadside, and agricultural areas. Essential oil of bamboo leaf (PLEOS) contain high antioxidant, antimicrobial, and antibacterial function which have been largely used in food and beverage, cosmetic, pharmaceutical, and fragrance industry. Essential oil function in the system of plant and signaling mechanism in nature where it provides protection against microbe, insect, as well as pollinating insect and fruit dispersing animal attractiveness, water control, and pesticidal relation. Bamboo leaf extracts are highly content of alkaloid, flavonoid, phytotics, oxalate, tannin, terpenoid, and saponin, where these bioactive constituents are related to the antimicrobial activity. Problem statement. Paraben and formaldehyde are synthetic chemical ingredients, act as a preservative in cosmetics used to inhibit the growth of toxic bacteria. For example, if the formaldehyde is exposed for too long, it can lead to the chronic disease such as cancer. Thus, the production of essential oil from bamboo leaf extract as natural preservative is one way to solve the problem related to synthetic chemical ingredients used in skincare products. Moving on to the objective of study. First, to review the extraction method of essential oil of extracted bamboo leaf. Second, to review the active compound present in the essential oil of the extracted bamboo leaf. And lastly, to review the antioxidant activity and the effectiveness of extracted bamboo leaf as antimicrobial activity in inhibiting the growth of microbes. Significance of study. First, discovering natural plant ingredients such as essential oil in skincare products would have a less damaging impact than synthetic ingredients. Second, focus on the composition of active component of the bamboo leaf essential oil and review about the different extraction method work. And lastly, offer extensive knowledge on the effectiveness of B. vulgaris leaf extract in antioxidant and antimicrobial activity. Chapter 2 Literature Review. Extraction method of extracted bamboo leaf. Solvent extraction, steam distillation, and hydrodistillation method are the most common methods used for extracting bamboo leaf essential oil. Based on the table, I have studied about 6 different journals and I can conclude that solvent extraction is the best method for extracting bioactive compounds since it produces higher yield compared to the other method. Steam distillation and hydrodistillation method are not preferable methods since it took longer extraction time, consume high energy level, and volatile compounds are easily lost. Chemical composition of extracted bamboo leaf. For the chemical composition of extracted bamboo leaf, it can be determined by applying the phytochemical analysis test where different varieties of solvents are used to detect the presence of alkaloid, flavonoid, saponin, and tannin. As you can see in the table shown, I have studied about 6 different genols and alkaloid and flavonoid are highly present in most polar solvents. Therefore, alkaloid and flavonoid become major compounds seen has high concentration in B. vulgaris leaf extract. The alkaloid constituents promote antimicrobial properties against both gram-negative bacteria and gram-positive bacteria, whereas the flavonoid concentration is linked to the antioxidant activity. Essential oil. The chemical composition of bamboo leaf essential oil can be examined by using gas chromatography, mass spectrometry, GCMS instrument. Based on the table shown, bamboo leaf extraction oil can be extracted through two methods, which are steam distillation method and hydrodistillation method. As you can see in the table of hydrodistillation method, dry bamboo leaf produce the highest yield of essential oil compound called as chlorophenoxymethylenylamino sulfur pentafluoride in 74.5%. Therefore, essential oil extracted from the dry bamboo leaf are preferable to fresh bamboo leaf as it presents 99.9% of the total oil. However, the composition of essential oil may be varied in each bamboo species due to the extraction method, regional origin, genetic difference, etc. Antioxidant activity. Three types of assay have been used, which are total polyphenol content (TPC), total flavonoid content (TFC), and DPPH assay. So, 4 types general have been reviewed in searching the flavonoid and polyphenol content, while 2 types general have been reviewed in determining DPPH assay. Based on the table shown, I just compare the antioxidant activity based on two types of solvent, which are methanol and aqueous solvent in TPC and TFC. In determining the TFC and TPC, methanol has become the good extraction solvent since the bioactive compound is polar compound. This method follows the principle of light dissolved light, where the polar compound will be dissolved in polar solvent. Whereas for DPPH scavenging assay, methanol and ethanol are also increase the antioxidant activity. Thus, the lower the IC50, the higher the potential scavenge DPPH radical. Antimicrobial activity. In antimicrobial activity, the clearing zone, or being called as inhibition zone, is made by fungi, gram-positive bacteria, and gram-negative bacteria to measure whether the essential oil contains antimicrobial molecule or not. Based on the table shown, it can be seen that gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria have different inhibition zones due to different sensitivity. This is because gram-negative bacteria has high resistance due to double coating of phospholipid. Therefore, gram-positive bacteria such as S. aureus have large inhibition zone compared to the gram-negative bacteria like E. coli. Thus, it can be concluded that S. aureus and E. coli are extremely active and efficient in inhibiting bacterial development since the inhibition zone is more than 19 mm. Chapter 3. Conclusion and Recommendation. For conclusion part, solvent extraction are the best extraction method because it provides high yield of bioactive compound, use less energy and take less time. Second, bioactive compound found in B. vulgaris leaf extract include alkaloid, flavonoid, saponin, and tannin, which closely linked to antioxidant and antimicrobial properties have been revealed. So, for the recommendation part, firstly, the extraction technique of B. vulgaris leaf extract should be updated to modern methods such as microwave-aided extraction, supercritical CO2 extraction, gradual liquid extraction, and ultrasound-assisted extraction. Second, further research should be conducted in different parts of bamboo other than leaf. And lastly, other acids such as ferric iron-reducing antioxidant power, FRAP acid, and oxygen absorbent capacity, ORAC acid, can be introduced to demonstrate the antioxidant activity of bamboo leaf essential oil. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching my video presentation.